This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat heading to the stake on which Joan of Arc was burned alive in 1431. Did you know that the Maid of Orleans had been burned, not once or twice, but 3 times? Indeed, the Cardinal of Winchester, to be sure that Joan of Arc had completely burned, ordered 3 successive cremations. During the first cremation, Joan of Arc died of poisoning due to the toxic gases from the combustion. The executioner then moved the fagots aside at the request of the English, who feared that it would be said that she had escaped. At this stage of the cremation, Joan of Arc was dead but her corpse still visible. The second combustion lasted for hours and exploded the skull and abdominal cavity, the pieces of which were projected onto the public, located below, leaving the charred organs in the middle of the pyre with the exception of the entrails and the heart. You should know that the bowels and the heart are the parts of the body that are the most humid and therefore burn less quickly. Finally, during the third and final cremation, the executioner added oil to destroy the last parts of Joan of Arc's body. In the end, all that remained was ashes and bone debris thrown the same day into the Seine under the Boileau Bridge, but whose name at the time was the Matilda Bridge, so that there would be no relic. Little unusual information: the executioner of Joan of Arc, Geoffroy Thurige, became incontinent after the execution of Joan of Arc and was terrified at the idea that a saint could take revenge.